Now let us see median. I have already explained you median of ungrouped data and discrete grouped data. Today we will learn continuous grouped data. Now median formula is M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into C, where L is lower boundary point of median class. Now what is median class? Median class is a class which contains n by 2 observation minus CF. CF is cumulative frequency previous to the median class. F is frequency of the median class, and C is class length. So L is lower boundary point of median class, n by 2 is total number of observations divided by 2, CF is cumulative frequency previous to the median class, and frequency is frequency of median class, and C is class length. Now let us see one example so it will get very clear to you. Here find the median of following example. It is example number 22 of your textbook. Now if you see here, classes are inclusive: 0 to 39, 40 to 79, 80 to 119, 120 to 159, 160 to 199. So here these classes are inclusive classes. Therefore upper boundary point and lower boundary point will come in decimal. Now frequencies are 2, 14, 23, 7 and 4. That means n is equal to 50. Now first thing in median, to arrange the data in order. Here already classes are in proper order only, so no need to change anything. Now first to find CF. Now what is CF? Cumulative frequency. So first 2 as it is, then 2 will be added with 14. So 2 plus 14 16, 16 plus 23 39, 39 plus 7 46, 46 plus 4 50. So n is 50 and our last CF also is 50. If it is not coming same, that means you have done something wrong. Now first we have to find median class. What is median class? A class which contains n by 2th observation. Now here n is 50, so 50 by 2, so that is 25th observation. Now till 2 observation it is in first class. Next till 16 it is in second class, that is 40 to 79. Now after 16 means 17 to 39, all observations lies in group 80 to 119. That means our 25th observation is in 80 to 119. So therefore this is our median class. That means 18 to 119 is median class. So lower boundary point, because it is inclusive classes, to subtract 0.5. So 79.5 is your lower boundary point, and upper boundary point will be 119.5. So here our L will be 79.5. Now already n by 2 we know, 50 by 2 25. Now what is CF? Cumulative frequency previous to the median class. Now here median class cumulative frequency is 39. So previous to it, it is 16. So 16 is your CF. Now what is frequency? Frequency F is frequency of median class. So that is 23. And C is class length. Now what is class length? Upper boundary point minus lower boundary point. That is 119.5 minus 79.5. So class length is 40. Now we are knowing all the values. Let us substitute it. So M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into C. L is 79.5 plus 25 minus 16 upon 23 into class length is 40. 25 minus 16, so 9. 9 into 40, so 360 upon 23. So that is your answer, 15.65. So 79.5 plus 15.65 gives you 95.15, that is median of this continuous frequency distribution.